Hi everybody, and welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a fall-inspired drink. I know it's still August, but our minds are on pumpkin. So we're gonna be making a pumpkin spice frappuccino. It's still a little warm outside, so this is a perfect way to get our pumpkin spice fix and stay cool. So let's get started. So our first step is going to be using our pumpkin spice syrup and our agave syrups. We're gonna do 2 pumps of each into our blender jar. And next, we're gonna be adding 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. You want just pumpkin puree. Don't get something with any other added ingredients to it, just pumpkin. All right, so next we're gonna be adding coffee. If you don't want coffee in this drink, if you want something caffeine-free, something for your kids, just totally omit the coffee. You don't need it, it doesn't make the drink, but I like a little caffeine boost. I love my coffee, so I'm gonna be using it. So this is just 2 ounces of espresso. You can use like instant espresso. You can use very strong coffee, strongly brewed. We have espresso here, so that is what I'm using. And now that the espresso is in, I'm going to add some ice and then top with milk. It'll probably be anywhere between 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup, but this is just gonna depend on how much ice you put into your blender jar. All right, so I just used about 3 scoops of ice in this. Depending on your scooper, you're gonna need more or less. And I have my milk right here, so I'm going to just pour this in until our ice cubes are pretty well covered. All right, that'll do it. And I put 3/4 cup of milk in here. Again, you can use for this as well, you can use whole milk, 2%, non-fat, oat milk, almond, so whatever you prefer. It's great for this. If you want to do a dairy-free version, the syrups, the pumpkin, anything in here doesn't contain dairy, so you can easily do that by swapping out your milk. So time to blend this up. All right, now we're just gonna blend it up. All right, so our frappuccino is all done. I'm just going to pour it into our serving glass. Look how good that looks. Perfectly thick, great consistency. There's a little bit left over to maybe share with a friend. So I'm also going to top this off with a little bit of whipped cream and some cinnamon. Finish it off with a reusable straw, good for the environment. And there you have it, a pumpkin spice frappuccino. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and you give it a try at home. Be sure to hit the notification bell below and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new video. Also, you can find us on social media at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Thanks again. We'll see you next time. Bye.